Hook, we are glad that you visited our channel, The Earth Host. Please accept a warm welcome from our channel. If you want to enjoy the world's fastest roller coaster from your mobile phone while sitting at home, the channel is the right place for you. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to notify of cool upcoming videos. We will give you a list of the world's top 3 fastest roller coaster. Before starting the video, tell us in the comment section, have you ever experienced fastest roller coaster? Number 1. Falcon's Flight, 155 plus mile/hour. That's amazing. The world's fastest roller coaster races 149.1 mile/hour. That means to 40 km/h in 49 seconds flat. That's fast, coaster fans. During 92 seconds, Formula Rosa climbs on 71 feet, 52 meters, and generates 1.7 Gs. The ride begins inside a theme park, speeds through a dome, travels outside, and returns to the loading station. Number 2. King Taka, 128 mile/hour. For a few years, King Taka was the fastest roller coaster in the world until Formula Rosa passed it. King Taka remains the world's tallest roller coaster at 456 feet. However, Six Flags ride uses a hydraulic launch system to reach its supersonic speed. If speed is what you want, go for it with King Taka. Number 3. Top Thrill Dragster, 120 mile/hour. Top Thrill Dragster races nerve-wracking speeds of 120 mile/hour, and its hydraulic launch system catapults riders from 0 to 120 mile/hour in a matter of seconds. In general, Top Thrill Dragster is smoother than New Jersey's King Taka, albeit slightly slower and shorter. Please share in the comments if you enjoy watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so that you can see more awesome videos like this in the future. I just want to give you a quick overview of today's video. See you in the next video.